2025 was gonna be a creative year. But 6 months in, and I have hardly uploaded a couple of videos and a few journal entries. My plan was to do some sort of an art challenge and possibly fill up the travel sketchbook. But life happened. This is Zuki. She has been very sick since the last few months. Between work and taking care of her, whatever little time I get, I spend watching something mind-numbingly bad or good.
You said the other day that you didn't like me.
So today I decided to finish a sketch, edit the video, and upload on YouTube because enough is enough. I know this is probably not my best work, I'll soon make a video on how I render my sketches, but this video is not about that. This is about showing up, staying true to the commitment, even though some days I feel emotionally drained and every bone in my body is begging me to just give up. I'm so happy this has turned out at least half decent, and seeing this motivates me to do more. I hope this inspired you to make something. See you next time.